Beast of Burden, Rolling Stones. So we start with a B, and we're going to do a hammer-on. So we've got 9, 8, 7, and that's and. So and 1. Yeah. Then down up. Then that's the down. So you've got and 1 and 2 and 3 and that's on the up. You go back to B. So we've got B, E, 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 B, C sharp minor. That's probably on the up as well because it's on the and after the 4. So we've got and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and, okay? So 1 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and that riff you're going basically from 9, 9, 9. You're going to do a hammer on 9 to 11 and your second finger is going to go on A on 10. That's the A note. And then you've got another down and then you return to B. And then that B loops around to the E so that you've got then the chorus, that's an A. Then we're going to slide that shape down, move those fingers up, get rid of that guy. A, C sharp minor, except it's really an E. And then we go to B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. If you like, you can play 1, 2, 3, 4, and then move to this B sus 4. Yeah. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back in. That's it. So thanks for watching this super short little Beast of Burden video. I really do appreciate it. If you can, please subscribe and click the bell for regular notifications. There's new lessons every Saturday and every Tuesday, plus some guerrilla videos like this, I guess, from time to time. And if you are able to support the channel, please visit www.patreon.com/Simon Morel. I'll see you later. Bye.